Well, the kids done took over once again. I tried to do a quick little mukbang with some homemade spaghetti. What's up, Bazzle babes? It's your girl Joy back with another banger. Yeah. As you saw from the video, I have a huge bowl of spaghetti and I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. I do not know if I'm gonna eat all this. Before I get into this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. I do have a lot going on in the background, okay? So we're gonna try to ignore that noise. Of course, we got another background going on today. And we have this good spaghetti. Look at this. Oh, look at the beauty. You need some salt, Bobby? I like spaghetti the second day. And then the second day, I like it with some cheese.
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce. Ooh, well, I got the cayenne pepper. So I'm gonna put a little, Bobby already started with a little salt and a little cayenne up on here. Not too much. So let's see. Let's get into this first bite. How are you guys doing? I know, child, my videos have not been consistent. You just gotta bear with me, child. Bear with a sister.
1K likes for merch. 500 likes for merch. It'll make her merch.
Yeah. This needs some salt. So just like I usually say, don't be coming for me about the salt. I like spaghetti the second day, and I tried to overcompensate. It just needed that type of salt. So So I hope you all have been doing really well. I miss you guys so much. And then I was trying to work on a video, and then my SD card holder, I know it seems like we getting crooked. That thing stopped working. I can't make it to the Apple store until this weekend to replace it. So I've been trying to shoot a few videos on my phone. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Do you guys like spaghetti? Second day is always better. It's always better the second day. It's hot. We just got it off the stove. You wash your hands with soap, Clint?
Yeah. Yeah, I wash my hands with soap.
You can't take your eyes off these kids at all.
Do I need to come on there?
It's good.
See, look, I got that new hair.
Ew. Good morning.
So you
Look, I already ate that top layer. This needs a little help, y'all. I can't even front on this one.
need some cheese?
Yeah, I'll take a little bit of cheese, Clint. Hook me up with a little bit of cheese. You don't wash your hands, right?
I'll take some. Wash my hands.
I'll take some too. But I'll get it myself.
So you gotta do that thing. And he'll be doing it.
Dude, you got it all over the floor, sucker.
So he said, like, you know what he be doing?
Stop, Clinton! But he won't be sweeping up nothing.
Yes. Alright.
Don't put that in my bowl. I'm scraping off the table. I'll lose my mind. Because this whole bowl will be going down the garbage disposal. You think so?
It says the person that came up behind me and smacked me.
I see that. I
You see how smacked me? That's why I turned around. I was like,
I
"You just about to get hit." Boom!
So, I'm crooked chop. Don't worry about it. Pretend like I'm not. So, what was I gonna say? I'm about to say something. Dang. I'm sorry. Okay. So we're in a new place. Dang it, I still don't get the water turned on. Well, it's on. We just gotta get it on. I'm gonna do that tonight. That's my goal.
You ain't got no water?
Hmm?
You ain't got no water? Or you decided to get it transferred?
I gotta get it transferred.
I was gonna say, I'm not tripping. I know I just washed my hands.
So my goal is to learn how to use my green screen.
I can teach you how to use it. Brandon has one. Brandon, the one that I was at his house on Friday, we were playing with it. It's a green screen. It's a camera. It's like against like his wall's like painted green.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Why does he have a green screen, Clint?
He's like, yeah, cause like he used to do videos or whatnot. He's like 5,000 subscribers. And I used to write scripts with him. We used to make.
So why does he have a green screen?
Cause he used to make videos. He doesn't do it anymore though. But like we're talking about making a video like this weekend. I don't know what we're gonna do though.
So I'm trying to figure out how to use my green screen that's been in the bag for over a year.
I could tell him teacher, I know how to.
Is it a program that he uses?
He uses Sony Vegas.
Sony what?
Sony, it's a editing software. It's like if you have Premiere Pro or After Effects, I can teach you how to use it. I know how to use it on there. I know you got Premiere Pro. I think you can use it on. Let me look this up.
So I'm trying, y'all. Right? So I'm gonna try to use the green screen.
Yeah, you can do this.
Once we get settled, I'm gonna try to upload regularly. But this move has really thrown us all off. And we're trying. I'm trying. Did you get your school bus transferred over, Bobby? No. The kids are inundated with schoolwork.
Basketball season doesn't start until like December.
Our
Yeah,
first
no.
game is next week on Monday.
You're not gonna get a quiet mukbang here. I've been thinking about how could I set up a little space in my garage. I can't figure it out in my room because my treadmill took precedence. What?
So you got that thing.
My treadmill took precedence. My health.
I said, put it in there. It is not that happening.
In the garage, pretty nice. It's a mess now because everything we moved in, we just started throwing it in the garage. We'll get to it when we get to it. This is good, y'all. Whew, hot. It just came out. Oh, I left my water over there. You know, Bertha. Can you hear me, Bertha? So let's mix this up. So what have you guys been up to? Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, we got Bertha in the house, y'all. They always got something to do. As soon as I start a little mini mukbang, never fails. Whew.
What you mean? I've been here. I've been down here.
But Bobby's sitting in my mukbang spot.
And with the room upstairs. Exactly, right? I could go get the table from the house. I could go get the table from out. There's a chair up there too. There's a, you know, we got the little fold table. You got the little. I could set you up right up there because every single night you be down here. While people are eating. This is where people eat dinner. Look at this.
Hey, it's called education, son.
Education up in your room, son.
We're not talking about me no more.
Do you want the table? Did you bring the stuff downstairs like I told you?
I brought some of the stuff downstairs. Oh, I don't know what to do with that mattress. Are you sewing that with it?
Yes.
Alright. I took it off though.
So you took pictures without the mattress
I
on?
took pictures with the mattress on and without it on.
We're trying to sell a bed and a washer and dryer.
Yeah, I took pictures. Yeah, we're taking over there and you know me. I took pictures of the washer and the dryer, and then the back of the dryer, and then the back of the washer, the bed with the mattress on it, the bed without the mattress on it, the front angle, the side angle. But I haven't posted it on the thing because I don't know what to do. If I post it on, because you can go on Let Go, next door.
Okay, so post it wherever.
Post on all of them.
Yeah.
That was one of your jobs for
Yeah,
today.
and I did go through, but I have to plug in a card with it, so with next door.
Sorry, y'all. Over here in the first cabinet, we still trying to figure out where we put stuff.
Literally every
We're
single
still-
time I put on a plate, I have to open every single cabinet.
We're still disoriented. I know I am. I try to put some stuff away. I forgot where I put it. Then you got to open every cabinet. I'm sure we'll get it soon.
Yeah, I tried to rearrange some stuff, and then I was like, she's not gonna like that. She's not gonna like that. And then I was about to hang out the thing, this one's right here. I was gonna hang out. Very good friends.
Yeah, but we're no.
Right out there.
I'm not sure where we're putting it.
This is right above the stove. A little bit further up. I was about to. Bob, you like that?
Yeah, it's kind of small for the space.
Right.
Right.
It's kind of small, like for that big wall, you know. Like if it was bigger, I would see it.
I'm gonna put it right here.
Go somewhere.
Mateo has one in his house and it's like right there.
Over the cabinets?
No, they get not have He lives in a townhouse too. He just lives. You know the one by CP. Oh, I forgot it. I'm on the set, sucker.
He said it. I didn't. Some people want to come for me. But he said it. I didn't. You see, I'm on the set and all this conversation going on around me. I'm just eating. I'm here for the conversation. I'm full, y'all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pack this up. My lunch is ready for tomorrow. What I had for lunch today, at school I had me a salad. I made a good salad. Salad, cheddar cheese. I was throwing stuff in them. Some peppers, tuna, feta cheese, jalapenos, pepperoncinis. You know what would have been good in there? Some pasta. And then I keep Olive Garden salad dressing in my fridge, which I was told I can't have a fridge at work. And the only reason I haven't removed it yet because I need to find a table to sit my computer on, because my computer is on the fridge. So I need to find a table that can fit precisely in the little nook. So then I found out fire marshal was gonna have something to say about my back wall. You know my brick wall that Bobby and I worked so hard on? I'm just over it at this point. I'm just over it. And have an idea, because he said 50% of the wall cannot be covered. I'm thinking it was 50% of your room, the whole room can't be covered by stuff. There was like no per wall. Okay, I think I have an idea to fix it. It's just every time I want to stay late, I gotta pick up the kids or rush home. So I have to rush home today. Leave right after school, but what I'm leaving to, traffic. So I'm like, this is why I don't leave right after school, because I wait for the traffic to die down. So I'm sitting in traffic for an hour. And that stop and go, Hunty, that will eat up all your gas. Ooh, I gotta sneeze. That'll eat up all your gas. Have you ever sneezed while you were eating some rice? And the rice comes out of your nose? That never happened to you, Bobby?
Nah, I can't relate on that one.
No? Food never came out of your nose? I've had rice before.
Ugh.
I feel like I felt it like.
I was eating at Chipotle, and then we're sitting there, we're talking for like an hour and a half, and then like the Chipotle was just not sitting well, and it's like, that was that one night. That
Is this a story? We were talking about a sneeze.
Yeah, I know, and I like coughed, and then I like sneezed at the same time, and then it came out of my nose, and I threw up, and I threw up like right. I was like, and I was like. And I sneezed, and it like.
So food came through, you know.
It was like starting to come out. I knew I was about to puke, and I was like getting up, and it just happened. I was like, I'm not making it. And
When I started,
I didn't want to be running to the toilet and then like throwing up.
All right, guys, we're gonna close out this video. Conversation going to the left. Well, the kids done took over once again. I tried to do a quick little mukbang with some homemade spaghetti. Because you know I make everything good. This one I would say you could use a little more flavor. Because you have to overcompensate for the bland noodles. And I did not put salt in my water as I was boiling the noodles. You think that was it, Bobby? Because I always put a little salt in the water. But once I added a little pink salt, it was fine. Tastes just fine. But the next day, baby, it'll be good. Okay. Give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Later. Let me give you one more bite.